In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your website using the Hostinger website builder, specifically with Hostinger India. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate videos into your site, enhancing its visual appeal and engaging your visitors more effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your Hostinger account homepage. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. It's where you can manage your websites, domains, and various other hosting features. Now that you're oriented, the next step is to locate the website you wish to edit. On the Hostinger dashboard, click on the Websites tab. Here you'll see a list of all the websites you've created under your account. Find the specific site you want to enhance with a video and click on Edit Website. This action launches the website builder, a versatile tool designed for crafting and customizing your site with ease and flexibility. With the website builder open, your canvas is ready for creative input. To add a video, start by clicking on the Add Section button. This is usually found on the left-hand side of the interface, represented by a plus icon. Adding sections allows you to insert various elements and features into your website, be it images, text, or in this case, videos. As you navigate through the options, you'll notice that Hostinger has categorized these sections to help you quickly find what you need. In the list of options under Add section, click on Video. This opens up the various video-related features you can incorporate into your site. Whether it's an introduction video, a tutorial, or some creative content you'd like your audience to see, showcasing it on your website is an excellent way to drive engagement. Once you've added the video section, you can further customize it to suit your needs. You have the option to either upload your own video file or embed an external link from platforms such as YouTube or Vimeo. This flexibility ensures that you're not bound by file sizes or specific formats, making it easier to add dynamic content to your site. Adjust the size and position of your video to blend perfectly with the existing layout, ensuring that it complements the overall design and maintains visual coherence. By following this straightforward process on Hostinger website builder, integrating video content into your website has never been easier. It's a practical way to enhance the interactivity of your site, making it more appealing and informative for your visitors. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you maximize the potential of your Hostinger website. Thank you for watching, and happy building!